Okay, first step, well, I already washed my face and put moisturizer on, so after that, first step is this primer that I have. I know you got the e.l.f. Pore Grip, which is also really good. Whatever it is, just put it on. I'm gonna be doing this like a little bit fast because I have to go, but like whatever. Okay, done, first step. Okay, then I already wet my beauty blender so it's like squishy and expanded. Now this is the same foundation you have, which is cool, and I just put it on the back of my hand. I did 3 pumps, more or less. You'll just figure it out. This one kind of like blends out though, so I feel like 2 is fine. I just did 3. And even though my forehead's darker than the rest, so when I first put this on, it's gonna look like really ugly. And I know this looks like yellow right now, but I promise it's not. Okay, and then literally like all over, don't worry about like looking flat, because that's what we're gonna fix with the rest of everything else. Like, you don't worry about it. Like, I know my forehead looks scary right now, like I get it. It won't. And this is just because my forehead is a darker color than everything else. And then make sure you blend into your neck as well. And then this, like, yeah, it doesn't look like it's right on me right now, but I promise it is. Okay, yeah, blended. See, already looking better. And then I don't have contour, but you do. So this is when you would put on contour. But contour, or like you can put it on whenever, I'm just saying. Also, this is my color corrector for my under eyes. I just put out a little bit. Okay, my concealer routine is a little bit like a lot. Just because my concealer, like, I feel like my under eyes are like where I like would need makeup. So that's color corrector. And then I have to mix 2 different concealers because like of my shade. I just didn't have it in my shade. Oh yeah, so about the contour, since it's like you have cream contour, it's like super like pigmented and like easy to blend, which is good, but you need to make sure that you're only putting it like here. Like, don't go here, or else it's literally just gonna look like a line on your face and make it look like a brown like spot on your face. Like, literally put it as close to the edge of your face as you can, and then blend it. And if you need more, then add more, but you won't need more for contour. So literally put the smallest amount right here, and when you blend contour, blend up, like up into your face. Okay, now I'll do my concealer. I'm just saying you would do contour right now because you have cream contour, and so you have to use all your cream products first, and then you do powder products if you have any. Now I know you have finishing powder too, so that's different because that goes like after you're done with your cream products face, that's when you put on the finishing powder. Okay, that's done. Concealer's done. Now I have bronzer. This is my bronzer. It's literally from the dollar store. I ran out of my other one, but it works fine. And to me, I know you don't have bronzer, but to me, bronzer is my favorite part of the routine because that's when it like looks like my face again. And that's why I was telling you to get bronzer, because it's like a lot easier to use than contour. You can like kind of just like put it wherever and it'll like look fine. Okay, and this is where I need it the most, is my forehead, to make it look like normal again. But yeah, you put it here, so kind of imagine going like a 3. So one, like you're drawing a 3 on your face. That's how like bronzer or contour, but contour to a lesser extent would go. And then I also do a little bit on my nose because, like I said, we don't want our face to look flat. You see, life back in the face a little bit. Yeah, for sure. And then I have blush. I use like different kinds of blush. Oh, also I forgot to say, for bronzer, contour, like I kind of said it, but the main thing is that you're going up. Like go up. Yeah. Okay. And then same with the blush. I'm just gonna use powder blush today because it's easier, but I think cream blush looks good too. But this is just easier. It's like I'm running late. Okay, so this also goes here. Like, don't bring it here because that makes your face look flat. Keep it up as much as you can. Like, do you see like naturally where this like up line is? Like, that's where it goes. And then here, like next to your eyebrow. And blush is okay. Like, you can put more, it goes away. Like, I don't know how to explain it, just always happens. So if you look crazy right now, like, you'll look good by the time you go out. I need to buy new concealer. Mine's like running out and I just need to find one that like is the right shade, but whatever. And then I don't always use highlight, but I will today for you. Okay. I have this liquid highlight, but even if you have powder, it's the same thing. Also, technically, you're not supposed to put liquid on top of powder, like I said before, but it's okay. So, okay, this smallest amount, like right here, and again, up. Like, don't bring it here at all. Just up, and then some, like, just small amounts. Okay, let me blend it out away from the camera, like in the mirror. You could use like your beauty blender for this too. I'm just like, don't have time. Okay, there we go. You can see it kind of. Yeah, you can see it kind of. But as I said, you don't need this step at all. Like, also, a lot of people mix this, like this liquid one in with their foundation. Now, the foundation that we have is already pretty hydrating, so you don't like have to do this. But that's like a good way to like use highlighter. Also with like my powder highlighter that I have, this one I love like more than my liquid one. Oh, your nose, I completely forgot. This one I love more than my liquid one because I put it like on my like collarbones and stuff. It's just fun. It's fun. And then now moving on to the eyes. Oh, you wanted eyeshadow. Okay, I'll have to do eyeshadow a whole nother video. That's like another like also, but like little brown girl hack. Or like hyperpigmentation here just looks like eyeshadow. Like if I did eyeshadow, like it would look pretty similar, unless I had like glitter and stuff. But like just a natural look would look basically the same. Oh, I have this brow gel, which like obviously I always like never bought brow products because I was like, oh, I have like thick eyebrows, like why would I need anything? But literally look at this. Like that looks so much better than this one, just in like 2 seconds. Just like this gel just holds it up, like, you know what I mean? Like it just makes you look put together. Like also, you see how like it like the foundation doesn't look as scary anymore? Yeah, it'll get better. And then this is my liquid eyeliner. I'm not gonna do it right now, but if you want me to, I can't. There's not even a tutorial for it. Like you just have to practice. But I just curled my eyelashes, which I know you hate, so it's okay if you skip it. I don't do it a lot of the times too. Now this is my mascara, which actually your eyelashes are super straight. I would definitely recommend learning how to curl them, or else mascara does nothing because your eyelashes grow like this. So you need to curl them, actually. So I take that back. You have to learn. or else you're spending money on mascara for nothing. Like, that's my point. Also, I know I have foundation on my lips, but don't worry, because we're going to be putting my favorite lip product on. It's a surprise because it's new and I love it. But yeah. Also, I do this like a lot more slowly usually because I love doing my makeup. It's like a self-care thing almost for me. So I take my time with it when I can. And then bottom eyelashes. This is weird doing it in a mirror. Also, sorry, there's like a lot of cleavage going on right now. Actually, not sorry, you're welcome. No, oh my god, actually this is perfect that it happened because I have the best hack ever to show you. It was all planned, I did it on purpose. Okay, so, little contact, okay. As you can tell, I got mascara on my nose, stupid. The hack is you have to wait for it to dry, and I have this for my eyebrows, but you can get these for free at Sephora. I know you can. So I'm gonna do the next step while this dries actually. It's just Kajal. I know you don't like eye stuff. Sorry, I'll do it in the mirror. I'm sure you know how to do your own Kajal. Actually, you probably don't because you don't like eyes. But your eyes are beautiful, Shreyu. You should love them and accentuate them. Okay, now this is probably dry. Once it's dry, you can just scrape it off. It literally disappears. Like, how insane of a hack is this? Crazy, right? Okay, wait. Okay, now it's not there. It's just like my makeup on my nose came off. Gone. Literally gone. Crazy. Okay, now let me show you the lip product I've hyped up so bad. Wait, let me make sure I'm not forgetting anything. 1 second. Oh, for sure. This is my setting spray, which I love, and I'm pretty sure you got setting spray too. This was literally $7, but it's like shiny, it's like glittery. And usually I do this before mascara, so it doesn't like, the mascara doesn't smudge, but it's like, it's fine. Also, I have rose water, which I will also spray on my face sometimes. Just because I think when you like setting spray or like the water, like when you wet your face, like it makes it like melt into your face a little bit, like it sinks in more. Okay, these two are in my backpack, that's why I went to go get them. Also my new necklace, don't you love? Okay, this is, okay, also I don't wear lipstick, I only have lip glosses, which I also love, but this is what I've been wearing a lot. I keep it in my work purse. It's Clinique's it's Clinique's Black Honey. That's the shade name. And the product is called Almost Lipstick. So it's like a combo between lip gloss and lipstick. And it's like literally the most perfect shade for like brown skin, I feel. I'll show you once I put it on. It's like so like, I don't know, I think it just like brings the whole, like, don't be scared of the way it looks. It's like comes out as like a purple or something. Okay, that's fine. And then, almost done. You thought we were done. And then this is my perfume that I just bought. It's Maison Louis Marie #2. And I think it's the most like perfect scent ever. I don't think you would like it though, actually, now that I think about it. It's like manly a little bit, but like that's what I like. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, rose water. Like I said, I think this just brings it all together. Let me put on a little bit. Actually, no. Let me show you in the light and then I'll put it on because this will take a little bit to dry. Okay. Okay, obviously this is my bathroom lighting. And then this is the sun. See, very like, let me even like lower the exposure.